Using Park Assist inside of the new Lincoln Nautilus is a very straightforward process. I'm going to show you how it works. So what you're going to do, starting off, there's the little P tab there. So you're going to push that tab, and when you do, you've got parking assistance. And from there, it's saying drive forward for it to search for available spaces. So, and I wonder, is it going to look? Okay, so it did. Oh! It found that spot? No way! Okay, that's kind of cool. I did not think that was going to happen. So it's saying now remove hand from the steering wheel, and you can see that in the 48-inch screen as well as the infotainment system. From there, you're just going to go into neutral, and all you have to do, so you have to press and hold the P button, and then that's pretty much it. So you're releasing the brake pedal, which freaks you out a little bit, but then you just press and hold the little P button there, and it's going to reverse. Ooh, interesting. How are you going to do this? That is impressive. Okay, that is really damn cool. It got tight in there. It got really, really close, but it's doing it. That is really neat. I honestly did not know what to expect with this new system, but it just found the spot. I didn't have to go left or right. It just found it. It found a very challenging spot, and it's backing me in beautifully. Okay, that was really cool. Like that, hold on, I gotta show you the outside here. Like, look at that parking job. That is a well done parking job. That is really cool. Okay, now the next one, I got to see if this thing can also do parallel park. So we just did a perpendicular park. Yeah, we just did a perpendicular park. So let's go and see if this thing will be able to figure out how to do a parallel park too. So in order to do that, let's see, I probably have to go to the end here. I think that there was a parallel parking spot right there. There we go. All right, so there's a few different spots it might try to get me to do. So I'm gonna, hold on, I'm just gonna skip ahead. So I don't want that spot. Okay, so I'm gonna look for a parallel parking spot, ideally. It's the same idea. You can hit the little P button, parking assistance, and the car is going to figure out where there's an available space. I want parallel park, ideally. It's the same as usual. Neutral, hands off the steering wheel, foot off the brake, press and hold the little P button, and then the car is going to do it all for me. So this is a parallel park that it's doing for me right now with a boatload of obstacles. There's a car to the right, there's a shipping container to the right, there's a tire right in behind me, and then a navigator in behind that. It has literally avoided all of the obstacles there. And then pulling me nice and close. It is such a smart system, and when it's finished, it looks so good. And then this thing also has the parallel out capability as well. So all we're gonna do, same idea, P button, parking assistance, and automatically tells me that not only is it going to help me with park out, but I can't use the right side because there is a shipping container to the right. So it's literally impossible for me to go that way. So all I'm going to do, off to the left. That would be kind of nice if it was smart enough to know that because I can't go right to go left, but button press there, shift into neutral, foot off the brake, hit the little P button, and then from there it's just going to back me up in order to, and then it should crank the steering wheel. And that's essentially just so that I can crank the wheel in order to get out. There it goes. Done. It says finish now because in theory, all I should need to do, press the drive button, and then it's got me perfectly positioned to leave the space. So it's an incredibly intelligent system, especially when you look at just the finding the parking space capabilities. It is a night and day difference above last year's, like the 2023 model. I love it. But that's how you use the Park Assist system inside of the new Nautilus.